Welcome to Fun Blocks, the wonderland where dreams take shape. At the heart of our store lies the cash system, our final bridge to make a child's dream come true. Start by scanning the toy's barcode. Watch as the system swiftly fetches the details and price. Make a quick check. The toy on the counter should match the details on the screen. For cash payments, key in the received amount. Let the system do the math to calculate the change for you. Ensure accuracy when handing back the change, keeping our promise of a delightful shopping experience. Card payments. Just tap on the card payment option. Our machine will guide our young customers' guardian seamlessly. And never forget the receipt. It's not just a record, it's our little note of gratitude. Every purchase at Fun Blocks isn't merely a sale. It's a chapter in a child's story of joy. By flawlessly using our cash system, you help craft these beautiful stories. Thank you for being the storyteller at Fun Blocks. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll delve into setting the alarm and closing the store. Keep crafting joy.